What's up, everybody? Back at you with an unboxing of the Hifonics subwoofer today. Let's check it out. Cheapy, nothing special, but I wanted to see what it was like. The box was very light, so it's probably not gonna be too amazing. But I'm trying to do some budget subs. Check out some budget subs. I don't know how the camera is. Let me look. Yeah, it's still good. So I'll turn it towards you guys. Open it up. Right here. So you can see what I see. It's from the side. Okay. Pull it out. Packages pretty well. This is my first Hifonics sub. I've helped install one before, but none of them were mine. Yeah, some pretty good packaging. Just the camera. First impressions. I don't know. Kind of chintzy looking, but the basket's metal. I'm going to be unboxing another sub here from Walmart. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad right away. It's got that plastic magnet cover, gloss, chrome, whatever you want to call it, basket. Regular tinsel leads, the spades, which I don't really like, but it's a cheap sub. This one I noticed right away doesn't have the sewn in tinsel leads like I thought it would. Right in here. So they've gotten a little cheaper, it looks like. But hey, I figured I'd buy one, the 30 bucks, shipped, 2-year warranty, I believe, or one, something like that. The surround feels nice. The cone feels nice. There's a large spider landing. I don't know how much you can see, but the spider doesn't reach all the way out, which it doesn't really need to because it doesn't have much of a throw anyways. I'm probably going to be taking the basket off at some point, the cover, just to see the real magnet behind it. Yeah, this is a Hifonics Hfx12d4. Not great, but not horrible so far is what I think about it. Yeah, so here it is. Hope you enjoyed.